What's up guys, Phillips here. In this quick tip I'm going to show you how to simply add a rainbow or spectrum effect to an eye, just rainbow eye color. So let's get started. So first thing I want to do is to bring this out to a new layer. So I'm going to duplicate this and send it out to a new workspace. So Ctrl 0 to fit the screen. Now first thing I want to do is to make a selection of the eye. So I'll just zoom into the right eye here. I'm going to click on my shape tool, and I have my ellipse tool here, and I'm going to make a selection just like this. So when you're done, you can just press Ctrl T and resize the selection to fit the eye of the model you're using. So after this, you want to reduce the fill to 0, so you can just drag down the fill down to 0 here, and then you want to add a layer style. So from this FX here, you click on add layer style. So I have my gradient overlay. So the gradient I want to use in this case is my spectrum gradient. So I have this here. So this will give you that kind of rainbow color. So I'll click on the spectrum gradient, click on OK. Now you want to change the style from linear to angle, and then the angle at 90 is okay, and the scale at 100 is okay. So then you want to change the blend mode from normal to color. So as you can see, it's blocking the eye. So I just want to change it from normal here down to color. So this color now changes the eye. You can see the eye and you can see the color. So it blends them together, giving the eye the color of this spectrum I just used there. So after everything, you want to click on OK. So when you zoom in a little bit, you find out that we'll have some extra colors here on the eye lashes or so. So I want to add the layer mask here. So you just click on add layer mask, and then you want to click on your brush tool. Your brush tool is B on the keyboard, and then you want to brush here. So when you are brushing it, make sure you have your black here. So I have black and white by default. So black shows the areas that are hidden in the mask, while white shows the areas that are visible, and then gray shows the area that are partly hidden and partly visible. So as you can see now, I have white here, so everything is visible. So if I just click maybe Ctrl I to invert it, you can see it goes back, which means that's hidden everything. So Ctrl I to invert it again, so everything is now visible. So you want to increase your brush size and then paint off this area. So you want to make sure that you have opacity at 100 and your flow at 100, and then you want to remove the parts that are not needed around the eye. So this is a very simple way to change eye color. So you want to repeat the same thing for this same place. So with your elliptical marquee tool, your ellipse tool, you want to make a selection this way. So as I did before, you want to press Ctrl T to resize this just to fit the eye. Now you want to just repeat the same thing. So what I can do is to drag the layer style here. So you can hold alternate, drag the FX down to this place here. Yes, and it applies it. So as you cannot see anything now because I have my fill to 100, so I'll just remove my fill down to 0, and you can see this. So I want to just kind of make it a little bit random a bit. So what I'll do is to double click on my FX, and I'll go to my gradient overlay, and then I'll change this to, I'll just reverse this. So I have it a little bit different from the other one, and then I want to click on OK. So next thing you want to do is to add a layer mask again. So you click on your add layer mask icon over here, and then click on your brush, and then brush over the extra parts which you don't need. So, and this does it. So pressing Ctrl 0 to fit the screen, see how I simply change the eye color. So another thing you can do is to use your hue and saturation to change eye color. For example, if you don't want this rainbows and this spectrum effect on the eye, another thing you can also do is to just, let's hide this layer, and then I'll hold Ctrl, click on this to make the selection of what I just did before. Then I'm going to click on my fill or new adjustment layer, click on hue and saturation, and then I want to just simply change the eye color by dragging your hue slider over and over. So till you have something you desire, let's say something like this, and then let's say you want to increase this. So you can see duplicate this again, change this, duplicate this. You can change this from normal to overlay to give it some better look, So we'll have something like this. You can see we use the opacity and so on. So this is how the eye looks like. So see how it looks like before and see how it looks like after. So this is just a simple way to change the eye color. So you can also do this over and over again. I have this effect here. So you can just play around with this and get your desired add color. I did it. Thank you very much for watching. It's Felix Gregory. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.